See, good morning students. Today we are going to do another short video, that is this one question you have to answer. At STP or NTP 0.05 mole, that is half mole of hydrogen gas and 1 mole of helium gas have equal effusion rates. Now you have to study what is effusion rate. You don't know anything about that. I also will go through the effusion rate. The next, occupy equal volume. That is Avogadro's law. I remember there is one law. Equal volume occupy all under the same standard temperature and condition will occupy equal number of substances or atoms. Right? Equal number of substances. Let us see what it is. Detail way. Then again what? Have equal molecular speed. That means chemical kinetic energy. Chemical kinetics. You have to be thorough. Then average kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of gas. That also you have to study. You have to be thorough in this question. In order to tackle this question, you have to know all these things. Now with half knowledge, whatever the knowledge which I have, I will try to solve. Let us see. After going through that, you have to get perfect on this subject. Right? Take one question, try to solve. Then again, get back to your textbook, read detail way, again come back. Okay. First, here, see, I know rate of effusion depends on molar mass. I remember this. Now, what is molar mass? You take it. How much? 0.5 mole of hydrogen. That is half mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of helium. What is mole? Numerically equal to atomic weight, is it not? Say hydrogen gas. That is, for hydrogen is 1 and helium, if you take it what? Hydrogen diatomic molecule, therefore it is 2, right? 2 and helium is, it contains 2 and 4. Therefore, here 4. The unit is 2 here, unit is 4. Therefore, for hydrogen, molar mass is 2. For helium, the molar mass is 4. According to this, what is it? Rate of effusion depends upon molar mass. Therefore, this is the concentration. Therefore, here molar mass are not equal. Therefore, they have equal effusion. This is not possible now. This is not possible. First answer is not possible. Okay. Now, next question. Avogadro's law. What is when it is NTP or STP? Standard temperature pressure. What is standard temperature? 0 degree or 273 Kelvin. That is T0. P0 is 1 atmospheric pressure. 1 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square or Pascal. Then again PVT. PV, okay. Then again R, universal gas constant. P0 I did. T0, then V0. What is V0? At standard temperature pressure, 22.4 liter it occupies, is it not? Liter. You know what is 1 liter? 1 liter is 1000 cc or 10 to the power of 3 centimeter cube or 10 centimeter the whole cube or 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter, is it not? 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to, this is on cc's, 1 ml or 1000 milliliter. Can you follow? All these things are there. Therefore, 1 mole of a gas occupy how much? V0 at NTP, at STP or NTP. That means 1 mole. Here what will happen? Here 1 mole is what? Half mole. Therefore 1 mole is 2, is it not? Here half mole, here 1 mole. Okay. Here therefore what is V0? V0 is 22.4 liter or 22.4 decimeter cube. One of the same. This is V0. Now at STP what? It is not 1 mole. What is this? Half mole. Half mole, how much it occupy? Half mole of hydrogen occupy 11.2 liter. Here. But here 1 mole of helium will occupy, 1 mole of helium occupy 22.4 liter. Therefore, it will occupy double the volume. Therefore, second option is also not possible. See, you need a deep knowledge of chemistry, otherwise you can't do that. Have equal molecular speed, kinetic theory of gases, right? This is speed or velocity, completely depends upon the mass. Larger the mass, speed will be less. See, hydrogen and helium, which will be moving fast? Hydrogen is what? 1. Helium is 4. Understood? Hydrogen is 1 time force. This is 4 times faster it moves. Therefore, what is that? Given equal molecular speed is not at all possible. Directly can conclude. Okay. Now velocity of kinetic energy, kinetic theory of gases. What is the expression for velocity? PV is equal to 1/3 mn c square. You remember, m into n is what? Molecular weight. C square 1/3 PV, cross multiply 3 PV is equal to mc square, multiplied both side by half, right? This is what? Kinetic energy, is not? Kinetic energy. PV is equal to m. Now PV is equal to RT, therefore 3/2 RT. There are so many things we can get it from this. Then what? Kinetic energy or average kinetic energy is equal to half m c square. What is c? C is called velocity. Now equal molecular speed, they come. Speed or velocity or speed are the same. Therefore, here PV is equal to kinetic energy is equal to what? 3/2. Therefore, 3/2 RT is equal to half mc square, or at a given temperature. At a given temperature, R is constant. Therefore, half mc square is equal to constant. Everything is constant. Or c square is equal to constant, 2 times constant by m, or c is equal to what? Inversely proportional square root of m. Remember, all these things, this everything has to go in your mind. But looking itself, definitely speed, velocity or speed is inversely proportional to molecular weight. Therefore, for helium, velocity of helium by velocity of hydrogen. If you take molecular weight of hydrogen but molecular weight of helium, molecular weight of hydrogen is 2, molecular, this one is 4, it is √2, correct? Therefore, which is moving fast? Therefore, hydrogen moves fast. Therefore, mass of helium is greater. Therefore, velocity is less. Therefore, this particular choice, it is not the correct choice. And equal average kinetic energy. Is it equal average kinetic energy? Let us see what is. See, one thing here. Speed may not be equal, right? Hydrogen moves very fast, helium moves slow, therefore speed may not be same. But what about according to kinetic theory of gases? Average kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature, right? Here you see. What is average kinetic energy? This kinetic energy, isn't it? Therefore, average kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 RT, or R is a universal gas constant. Therefore, average kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Therefore, at STP is what? Temperature remain constant at standard temperature, because you are keeping what? Hydrogen and helium. The number of moles is not the material for you. Therefore, kinetic energy they have equal kinetic energy. They have equal. That means I am not bothering about number of what is the mole? I am bothering about a single atom. A single atom of hydrogen and helium will have both same kinetic energy, but this moves faster, this moves slower, but energy remains same. Both are having a equal kinetic energy. Therefore, which is the correct option? They have equal kinetic energy, because since average kinetic energy directly proportional to absolute temperature. Therefore, you need a deep thinking on this. You have to do all possibilities. Therefore, first you learn what is the fusion rate, average, chemical kinetics study. But I did not have a full depth or knowledge. I applied little common sense here and there. With that, I have solved this question. Okay.